Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We're taking a look at this Michael Kors model, Adrianna 2 MK2024 in color code 316213. It's a pink Tortoise-Rose gold color frame. The lenses are a gray gradient color, and they have the Michael Kors logo engraved on the top left lens. The temples also do have a Michael Kors logo in gold and has a tortoise finish at the tip of the temples. This is the inside of the frame. And the other side of the temples is the same. The lenses are RXable. Up here we have a Michael Kors case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.